Peace, love, and light, man. Heal the through inspiration. How y'all doing? I got one light on. Sitting there laying down. I've been up for some quote unquote time. It's been hours. But it's like it's my sleep pattern is off, so it's like shoot. And I think I might have a little more energy than everybody else, so I tend to be up, a little longer throughout the quote unquote time. I haven't made a video, it feels like, in a while. But if you guys would notice, because I upload every single day. And the things that I've been feeling is kind of like, I've been having so many things I've been talking about, but it's kind of like you don't know how to go into it. So I guess the best way is just to go ahead and do it. Kind of like, but as I'm thinking, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking like, I noticed that yesterday I had went out, handle some business, and as I was driving, I'm supposed to go to some place to get some paperwork and whatnot situated, but I had came to another realization as far as about something. But I was just glad I went there because it kind of felt to get out of here. Felt great to get out of here. It was a positive feeling to get out of here. You know what I'm saying? Just driving. As I was driving, it was like some reckless ass drivers. Like, I know it's like, golly, I know the weather getting a little warmer, but what the frick y'all, how the frick y'all driving like? You know what I'm saying? And so after that, what I did do, I go there because I did need some more water. You know what I'm saying? I had to get some water and whatnot. And I said if I get some water with some dried mango. And I was driving and then I ended up going there, whatever. And I noticed since I was coming back, and I remember driving, I felt free. There was a freeing feeling. I remember looking around and said, wow, this look a little different. Even though I think I've been there, maybe it's a different one. The grocery store, they all look, I don't know. I think I've been there before. I don't know. I think I did. Yeah, I have. But it just been different. But it was a different one. And I've been there so long, but it was as far as a different look. And I wondered too, just driving in that area, like it felt freeing to know I wasn't there instead of here. It felt freeing. Even though I'm not in the same place as a narcissist, but I'm in the same building as the narcissist. It is that much noticeable as far as when I drove there. Why am I staying here? I think part of it is because I was trying to do something to, I talk about it and I kind of don't talk about it, even though this is previously recorded. I talk so I can have my documentation so I can leave, if you get what I'm saying. So with that being said, the address on my ID is voila. So, and that's what I send it there. Then they can hold the mail. I think that's something I might have to do, but it's kind of like when they hold it, you have to go there, but then I'm gonna end up having to travel there, but it still is better than being here. Okay. Yeah. And then I think it's just time to look at different rates and whatnot, because what I did try to do is every single time, for like the second time now, I tried to dip, got on the phone with somebody about a place, and the person was always rude as hell. It was some rude bitch. Rude bitch in the daytime, freaking different types of them, I could tell. The pale European bitch, she was rude. And then the black bitch, she was rude. Like, this narcissistic, evil bitches. Like, I'm just like, yo, what the frick does this mean? Am I supposed to stay here? I don't freaking know. Like, and I know I got something coming soon, so I can keep, extending myself. I got stuff I got to do today. I was supposed to meet up with someone, but something went out. I don't know. I might have to meet up with them in a week because of that. So I'm sorry if you guys hear that. That's me rubbing speaker part. And to a lot recently is what I've been thinking about as far as what my, I guess, you know, my biological parents have been doing. And another thing too was I freaking stepped out yesterday. I freaking stepped out my door, nigga, to go to my appointment. Nigga, I see this nigga's car. And I'm like, this nigga's, because the person next to me like, oh, sorry about that music, man. I've had it if I was too loud. I was like, no, you good. I didn't even hear no